How to approve Spaylater in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to approve Spaylater in Shopee. First, open your Shopee application on your mobile device. Tap on Me from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Spaylater. If you want to unlock Spaylater, you can buy more on Shopee. You can settle your orders with digital payment methods. You can buy your bills and buy digital products on Shopee more often. You can apply for Spaylater and get approved in minutes. Choose Spaylater as your payment option on your next checkout. Select your preferred monthly repayment plan to complete your order. If you can't activate it, go back and tap on Chat with Shopee. Here, you need to tell them to activate your Spaylater. As you can see, the chat agent will give you the answer to help you. You can read the information to approve Spaylater on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.